Hi, this is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Miss Dhamija, Miss Sangeeta Dhamija, in our famous program, My Educational Voice, in which we broadcast top educationist of India. Miss Sangeeta Dhamija is an educationist. Children are the prime focus of all her efforts in work. She sincerely believes that real education lies beyond books. She has devoted almost 27 years to the field of education. She has authored a series of social science books of classes 5th to 8 for Meghalaya board, which are currently in use by the board. With a rich experience, multi-faced personality, and qualities, she is sure to lead school community with a vision and dedication. Ma'am, welcome.
So, thank you, Mr. Pranav, for the generous introduction. And I would like to share my journey with you. Definitely,
Yes.
I would like to be a role model for many young enthusiasts who are wanting to be into teaching. As an educationist, I believe that children should be developed holistically in every field, whether it is spiritually, emotionally, intelligent, IQ, SQ, everything should be taken care of. And we should prepare the children for the universe, not for the university. That's what I believe in. For anybody and everybody, teaching should be a passion. It should not be a profession taken by chance. It should be a profession taken by choice. So I will also always passionate to become a teacher. And people who choose teaching as a profession by choice, they go a long way. That's what I believe. Talking about my journey, I started my journey as an educationist, as a primary school teacher in year 1993. And I joined as a computer teacher in New Greenfield School, which is located in Saket. And at that time, I was only a graduate wanting to become a teacher. So since I had not done the B.Ed, the so-called B.Ed, which is required for a teaching profession, I had to do a job of a computer teacher because I had done an honors diploma in computer systems from NIT. But that was not enough for me. So I aspired to study further and grow in my career. I did my MA and my B.Ed on the job. And I spent good 7 years teaching computer science to students at New Greenfield School.
Great.
Then I moved on to the Heritage School, Vasant Kunj.
Okay.
So by that time, I had done my master's in economics and I had done my B.Ed. So there I joined as a mathematics and an economics teacher. And I spent 13 years in Heritage Vasant Kunj, which were the basic years of my life where I learned a lot. So there I was working hand in hand with the principal, with my seniors, and I had gained so much of confidence in that school that I cannot acknowledge enough. Those were my best years of my life where I learned and I grew as well. After Heritage School, I got an opportunity to move to the next step as a vice principal in the Millennium School, Noida. So millennium schools follow a different philosophy of education. So we have our own curriculum, and which is based on the age group of various categories of children. So millennium curriculum includes life skills also, which very few curriculums include. So I spent 7 years as a vice principal, almost heading the school there, taking care of all the curricular, extracurricular admin activities. And then finally moved on as a principal of Millennium World School, Faridabad. So this has been my journey throughout, and it's been almost 3 decades now, it's 27 years that I am into the profession of education. And believe me, I am loving it. And I would want young girls and boys to learn and, through their journey and get into education, because we are dealing with a very sensitive area of the society. They are the nation builders. They are the future of the country. And if they are not given education as they should be, then we are not doing our job well. So I believe that all those people who are passionate about teaching should go into this profession, and there is requirement of good teachers in this profession.
I think you have summed up very nicely, ma'am. Thank you. I'm sure this talk will be inspiration for many youngsters, and they can work like you and do well in life like you. Thank you so much, Madam Sangeeta Dhameja, Principal, Millennium School, Faridabad, Haryana, India. And this is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. I'm signing off. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pranav. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.